A simple guide to understanding value-added tax for beginners. VAT, also known as a services tax, is a consumption tax levied at each stage of the supply chain. This means that the tax kicks in when something is consumed and consumers ultimately bear the tax cost on final purchases. The calculation and payment of VAT revolve around input and output VAT. Output tax is something that you bill out to your clients. So, if an invoice that you send out to your client includes 20% VAT, then this VAT is output tax. For any bills that come into your business that contain an element of VAT, then this VAT is input tax. Businesses calculate VAT that they owe to the HMRC by subtracting input VAT, tax paid on purchases, from output VAT, tax charged on sales, remitting the difference to the HMRC. Unless specific rules apply, when going from being a non-VAT registered business to a VAT registered one, your business immediately has a reduction in costs. This is because anything it purchases that has VAT on it now costs less, because the input VAT can now be reclaimed. Ultimately, it is the final consumer who pays the VAT. Hence, the phrase, consumption tax. This system of VAT collection has important implications for businesses. It requires them to be part of the revenue collection process for the HMRC. A VAT-registered business is effectively a tax collector working for free on behalf of the HMRC. And as a VAT-registered business, you are responsible for accurately calculating and remitting VAT to the government. When should I register my business? In the UK, businesses must register for VAT when their taxable turnover exceeds £85,000 over a 12-month period, or if it is expected to exceed this threshold in the next 30 days. If your turnover is less than the VAT threshold, you're not required to register, but you can choose to do so voluntarily. By understanding the requirements and potential benefits, you can make an informed decision about whether VAT registration is right for your business. In the end, despite businesses' pivotal role in collecting VAT, the ultimate tax burden rests with the consumer. Just remember, registering for VAT affects your business's pricing strategies, cash flow and accounting responsibilities.